So this event is strongly related to industry applications, especially focusing on reliability and failure analysis in electronics.
The CAM workshop is a great event. It brings a lot of people together from different backgrounds, different degrees to talk about the challenges that face the semiconductor industry.
I think the CAM workshop is an excellent conference in Europe.
We attend the CAM workshop since many years now. There is lots of experts from the failure analysis, and I believe it's the best place to be in terms of innovations, to show ours, to learn as well from the innovations that are out there, and also to reunite and solve problems all together.
So the CAM workshop is one of two shows that we attend every year, okay? And the CAM workshop is very nice because it's a short period of time, okay, 2 days only, but very intense in terms of papers, conferences, and also there is most of the people who are coming there are people from the industry.
I like it very much to have this exchange with all the people, so with the failure analysis community. Such conferences or workshops will help for the exchange between companies and between research institutes, and this is very helpful to further develop methods and to keep up with all the new designs and new materials which are upcoming in the semiconductor industry.